Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install shaders for Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have open Minecraft version 1.2, 1.11 at least once on your computer, then close the game and the Minecraft launcher completely. This step is required before installing shaders. Next, go to an official website like CurseForge or Modrinth and search for Iris shaders. Download the Universal jar for version 1.2, 1.11, and move the file to your desktop. Since this is a Java file, you also need Java 21 installed, which is required for Minecraft versions above 1.21. Now, open the Iris installer, select version 1.2, 1.11, and click Install. After the installation completes, close the installer. Now download any shader pack from CurseForge or Modrinth. You will receive a zip file. Do not unzip it. Open the Minecraft launcher, launch Iris, enter a world, go to Options, Video Settings, Iris Shaders, and add the zip file. Apply it and enjoy. So that's basically how you can download and install shaders for Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks!